Rumble is the ultimate, the maximum cardio MMA workout.
The reason why someone should become an instructor for Rumble is because this program is very simple to learn. It's easy to deliver. You have an incredible support system with other instructors nationwide who are very encouraging and can help you out along the way.
I train using Rumble because it's exciting, it's fun, but it's also something that everybody can do, whether you have a martial arts background or you don't. Just from doing it for the short time that I have, I've already started to see the toning and the results that I know that my participants want to have too.
Everything that's come back is so positive, and people are telling me how different it is and how simple it is to learn and take in and teach, and they're attached to the music and the moves, and everybody's just very, very happy with it, and that makes me feel really good.
For existing R.I.P.P.E.D instructors, becoming a Rumble instructor is a no-brainer. It's a very smooth and natural transition because you've already been trained in the endurance section in the program, and the formula is very similar. So we're just going to expand upon your knowledge in the endurance section and make you even stronger, faster, better.
Becoming a Rumble instructor is going to be life-changing for you. First of all, people are going to come to you. They're going to want to know what this program is about. It's the next hottest thing. So if you're going to teach something that's hot, that's fresh, that's new, that's popular right now, MMA programs are where it's at. So if there's ever a time to get trained, it's now.